guys, Miss Charlie here with a 3 looks 1 palette using the new Itsbel Cosmetics Pixie Grove palette. I love Itsbel. I have all but 2 of her palettes. I have some of her loose pigments. It's a wonderful Puerto Rican indie brand. She's absolutely adorable. Her daughter is adorable. Her daughter is in the promo photos for this new palette. She looks absolutely cute. She looks like a little pixie, little fairy. Her name is Isabella, and her color is in here. She did name a color after her in here. So I did do 3 looks using this palette, and this is what it looks like. This is the sleeve, and how it looks inside is the same. It's like a little forest. And these are the colors. They're absolutely beautiful. This is a really light pastel green. This is her daughter's color, Isabella. It looks white, but it has a yellow reflect. And then Pixie Dust looks white, but it has a pink reflect. And I will show you the swatches here. But this is a beautiful palette. This green is absolutely beautiful. This color here, Woodlot, oh my God. It's such a nice deep burgundy. If you like fall colors, this is a nice fall palette for you. The duochromes and multi-chromes on here are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and show you the 3 looks that I did using this palette. So those were the 3 looks that I did using the Itsbel Pixie Grove palette. Let me know if you pick this up. I will link her below, her website and her Instagram. Again, I had no problem with any of the shadows. They were absolutely beautiful and stunning and smooth and blended just beautifully. Again, if you are an Itsbel fan, let me know. Again, I have quite a few of her products and will continue to buy from her. And again, she is absolutely adorable and sweet. And again, I'll put all her links below. But I thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming by and hanging out with me. I appreciate all of you. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.